Today's going to be the review of the COSRX Snail Mucin. If you've not gotten on the Snail Mucin train, it's time to jump on now if you have dry skin like me. 92% moisturizer. It's a 3.52 ounce daily repair face gel for dry skin, sensitive skin. It is not tested on animals, no parabens, no sulfates. It is also Korean skincare. And let me show you. Snail Mucin right there. That is a game changer. I'm going to put it on my hand. I use it on my face summer and winter, and it is so hydrating and feels fantastic on the face, and it will keep the moisture in your skin longer. So I know it's an odd product. I know a lot of people are like, Snail Mucin, but if you have dry skin, if you have mature skin like me, you need to give this product a try, especially during the winter months, and see what it can do for your dry, mature skin. Put it in your cart today.